Welcome to AlphaCars Motorcycles. My name is Ian, and today we have this Janus motorcycle to share with you. This is a 2022 Janus Gryffin 250 Scrambler with only 2 miles on it at the date of this video. We'll explain why as we get more into this overview. We're going to do a condition overview of this bike as it is for sale here at AlphaCars. You can view the listing on our website. The link is at the top of the description below. And do keep in mind we do offer vehicle transportation as well. With all that being said, let's get into the video. First, let's do a walk around of the bike and I'll give some history on it. You might be wondering why it only has 2 miles. Well, the previous owner, the only owner, they ordered it brand new. They spec'd it out as you see it here, and they used it as a display piece indoors inside their office. So this bike was not, sitting in a garage or sitting in a shed. It was in a climate-controlled space, where you would get work done every day. So the bike, it literally presents in brand new condition. We did do a comprehensive, inspection, fresh gas, and it runs beautifully. And I will show you that in the video. But just seeing the condition of this bike, it literally looks like it just got dropped off by Janus, as if you just ordered one. So, the advantage of getting this one is you don't have to wait for the factory lead time. If you like the spec of this bike, you can get it and have it now. And you can view the specifications of this bike on our online listing. We actually break down the build on this bike. I will note a few of the main items. One, it has the Satin Black finish. So this Satin Black finish is a paid extra. It also has the gloss black Janus logo there and the pinstriping to contrast it. It has a skid plate down here, which is also a paid extra, and a bunch of other goodies on it, like the number plate on the front. And like I said, just you can view all that on the online listing. This video is just to confirm the bike's condition, and you can see there's no fading or anything from the bike maybe being in the sun or exposed to the elements really ever. Everything is as clean and glossy as it was when it was new. It's really just been taken around the parking lot a few times to confirm its operation. That's why it has, the limited 2 miles on it there. But even you can see the brake rotor, braking system there. These bikes are really a work of art, such a cool thing to look at. All the little touches that Janus Motorcycles does. And you've got that color matched heat shield on the exhaust there. Very cool. And yeah, not a whole lot to inspect or show because it literally is like a new bike. So let's flick on the ignition. And you can see here, once the screen loads up, 2 miles on the odometer. And what we're gonna do is make sure the choke is on, the gas is on as well, and it's gonna fire right into life. There it goes. And of course, like any bike, you gotta let it warm up and play with the choke until it does. But idling very happily. Nice responsive throttle. We will turn it off there. But as you can see, no unusual noises or anything, fires right into life. These have a real nice sound to them with that custom exhaust. Of course, these bikes are hand built in America. And yeah, that's really all I have to share with you in this video. Just showing you the condition of the Janus, just confirming it runs. If you are interested in this bike, be sure to get familiar with it via our listing and then reach out to our team after via the contact information on the screen here or the contact form via the website. This has been Ian reporting from our Boxborough location. Do leave a like on the video if it was helpful and subscribe for future motoring content.